wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Mulyani from class A1 Diplomatory Radiologi Study Program, Faculty of Health Science, Aisyah University, Yogyakarta. Here I will explain about the news with the title Jokowi confirms Indonesia economic recession. President Joko Widodo estimates that economic growth will be minus about 3% in the third quarter of 2020. This means that Indonesia is officially entering the abscess of recession after in the previous quarter the economic rate was minus 5.32%. In addition, Jokowi stated the investment realization was still poor in the third quarter of 2020. He estimates that investment has the potential to be minus more than 5%. He admits that he had asked the investment coordinating board BKPM and he coordinating Ministry for Maritime Affairs and Investment so that investment in the third quarter of 2020 could be minus below 5%. However, it is difficult to realize. Even though it was negative, Jokowi claimed that the figure was still better than the realization in the second quarter of 2020, which was minus 5.32%. In addition, he also stated that Indonesia's economic situation is still better than other countries. For the fourth quarter of 2020, Jokowi asked all ministers to boost spending. This is to encourage public demand so that household consumption can improve at the end of the year. Previously, Finance Minister Sri Mulyani had projected the economy in the third quarter of 2020 to contract or minus 1% to minus 2.9%. The figure is higher than Jokowi's estimate. He explained that the total contribution of government pending the economic growth was 18%. According to him, expenditure realization until the end of September increased rapidly compared to the second quarter of 2020. Overall, Sri Mulyani predicts that Indonesia's economy will be minus until the end of the year. To be precise, the domestic economy will be minus in the range of 0.6% to 1.72%. For information, the Central Statistics Agency (BPS) noted that the economy in the second quarter of 2020 contracted minus 5.32%. This figure is inversely proportional to the second quarter of 2019 at 5.05%. This figure is also inversely proportional to the economy in the first quarter of 2020, which is still growing by 2.97%. Meanwhile, economic growth during the first semester of 2020 compared to the first semester of 2019 also contract 1.26%. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.